Welcome back to Always Learning. What are we doing today? Well, today we're learning how to make protein bars or power bars, and I've always wanted to make them, so I'm going to show you how to do it. You can definitely mix these by hand, but I'm just going to use this KitchenAid mixer since I have it. I'm going to put a whisk on it first, and then I'm going to come in with melted butter. Probably room temperature butter would be better, but I went ahead and melted butter to see how it would go the first time. And then you're going to add in a cup of creamy peanut butter. So just kind of put that in there. Make sure you get it all. Now you're just going to whisk that butter and peanut butter until they're fully incorporated. Once they're combined, you're going to want to change out your whisk and just go with the old mixer paddle and get that going so it'll kind of won't be as refined as far as the mix goes. Let some of those bigger chunks go through. Once you've changed out the mixer head, you're just going to add in half a cup of granulated sugar. I went with brown sugar. You could go with regular sugar as well. I'll put that in there and then just kind of blend that up. It's really just a lot of incorporating and putting in kind of your items one at a time. Here I'm going to put 2 room temperature eggs in. Just crack those babies, get those in there. And then you're going to come back and you're going to add a little splash of vanilla, because who doesn't like vanilla? Just kind of measure with your heart there. It actually called for 2 teaspoons for those of you that are a little more on the vanilla. And then you're going to put in a 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and then just a splash, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Next up, you're just going to mix that, get that all incorporated so it's nice and mixed up. And then you're going to come back and you're going to add in 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour and get that mixed in, and then come back and add in 1 cup of your old-fashioned rolled oats, and then mix all that in. Once mixed, then you're going to add in 1 cup of the semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can put in whatever kind you want, and then you can also add in 3/4 cup of peanut butter chips if so desired. Frozen is better. They'll just kind of keep their shape better, and then you just want to mix those until they're actually incorporated and kind of feel like they're even throughout. We're going to take a 9x13 pan and we're going to put some parchment paper in here. And here's a little trick I learned. If you wrinkle up the parchment paper, it actually will stick to the sides, and it's just easier to work with and makes a more palatable surface. You can kind of cut the corners and stack it in there. I've done that before. But if you wrinkle it up, it seems to hold its shape and work better, like it was designed that way. Then you're going to take them out of the mixer. You're going to put them in the parchment paper 9x13 pan. You're going to spread them out with your hands. They're clean. You can also use a plastic spatula to kind of help them. You're really just kind of wanting to get them about 1 inch thick and get them spread out in all the corners. And then you're going to take chocolate chips. We'll leave this at your discretion, and just kind of dabble them over the top of it. And then we're going to come back and add a little bit of kosher salt and just kind of garnish the top with that as well. Now she is ready to go in the oven. It's going to be 350, and you're going to cook it for 30 to 40 minutes. You want just a little jiggle in the middle, and then you're just going to be ready to bring it out and cut that bad boy up and eat it. It was really good. I'm probably going to make these again. They kind of taste like the power bars I was going for that a local shop here used to make. And anyway, enjoy. I'll put the recipe down in the comments or the description section if you want to make them. Thanks for watching.